Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber, back with another unboxing video. This one's a little different. Usually when you do a Twisty puzzle unboxing video, the puzzles have come to you from faraway places. Sometimes in the US, Canada, Sweden, Hungary, and Italy, to name a few. In this case, I went to them. I recently returned from a humanitarian trip to Tanzania, Africa. I went with a group called Friends Together. I will have a link for the group in the description below if anyone's interested in looking into this. While I was there, I went to a couple of Rafiki supermarkets in the city of Moshi to pick up some snacks. As I was looking around, I found a toy section. I'm a big kid, so I'm always drawn to a toy section. As I was perusing the toys, I struck gold. I found Twisty puzzles. 3 at the first store and another 2 at the second one. And they're all in this bag. Let's take a look. Okay, so we'll start with this one here. This is, as you can see, a number letter super cute puzzle. This one was put out by Magic Puzzle. There's no other brand name on this. There's no other like subsidiary or anything like that, so I have no idea who made this. But let's open this up. Okay. Not too bad on the moving. A little sandy, but seems to, that part there is a little catchy, but seems to work pretty well, things considered. Now we have just a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Same company as the other one. See how we do with this one here. Move those over there. This one is turning a little better than the Super Cube, but I would say probably need some lube here on both of those. Next we have this here, which this is a spiral 3x3. It's put up in terms of the box. Magic Cube Arc Design is the information that's on the box here. And it looks exactly the same as the spiral cube. This one turns very well. No problems with it here in terms of that. So that one we have no issues with. Move that over here. This one is this one came in a box of 4, and they were all the same one, and it was called Achieve Your Dreams Picture Cube Series, and the company that was shown was Happy Gift. This kind of reminds me a bit of a Calvin's puzzle. This turns very smoothly. As you can see, I almost moved without trying. So this one should be pretty easy, shouldn't have to do anything with. And let's see, this one is the deformed 3x3 center sphere cube. And this is put out by the same company that the spiral one was, the Magic Cube Arc Design. These are all made in China. This one is very, very tough to turn. As you can see, this one will definitely need to be set up a little bit before I try to solve this so I don't cause any problems with it. But I've heard of this. Glad I was finally able to get this. It's a fun little puzzle. I'm looking forward to playing with it. So these puzzles, basically I paid a total of 19,500 Tanzanian shillings, or, I'm sorry, 29,500 Tanzanian shillings, or $11.32 US for all 5 of them. Definitely look forward to enjoying all these puzzles. And there you have it. My Twisty puzzle purchases from Tanzania. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to receive notifications on future videos, please hit the notifications button. Thank you for watching.